I mean, I wouldn't have this money if I didn't sign up, and you won't have this money if you don't sign up. That's an extra $1,000 right there.
Damn!
What up? How you doing today? What's going on? I'm Rob Level. This is Smart Rapper, and in this video, I'm gonna tell you why every artist, including you, I know that this applies to you. You're losing money every single day, and it's something that most artists do not realize. It doesn't matter what artist you are. If you have a song at all on Spotify, Apple Music, YouTube, SoundCloud, if you have a song out, you're losing money, okay? And I'm gonna tell you exactly how to fix this. Super easy, because some people don't understand how royalties get collected, okay? So first and foremost, royalty sounds like a scary word, but it's not, okay? It's basically just something's collecting your money for you that you're owed, that you didn't even realize that you're owed, okay? When your music gets streamed on Spotify and all these other platforms, yes, they pay you, you get this money, but did you know that there's actually more money to be collected from that actually being streamed?
Lord Jesus.
Yeah, that's right. So if you actually have a song out and you don't do what I'm gonna tell you, stupid easy to do in this video, then you're actually, you could be losing double the money.
Come on now,
it's crazy, because the other part of that money is not being collected. It's not being looked out for. Super simple fix. But I want you guys to be able to start getting checks like this. Make sure my address isn't on the thing real quick. Okay. Start getting checks like this all the time. I put a check. If it's already been cashed, I put the check it on. Check. All right. So look at that. You know what I'm saying? Get a $496 check when you start getting paid for your music. And I get checks like this all the time. Okay. I wanted to pull out this big stash of them, but I can't remember. I have like 4 filing cabinets and I don't know which folder it's in. I'm not gonna look at it just to hold a bunch of checks in front of you. So I want to show you this really quick, okay? Because there's different ways to do this, and don't get scared by this, okay? But if you look at this right here, this is actually from BMI, all right? So there's really only 2 things that you need to do here, all right? Now don't be scared of this. You obviously, and you've heard it before, you need to be registered with a PRO, a public rights organization. There are 2 primary ones, then there's an additional one. Usually most people use BMI or ASCAP. You're gonna need to, sorry, I'm a child. So you're gonna need to sign up to either one of those, and it's super stupid easy to do, okay? I personally am with BMI, okay? But here's the thing is that BMI, the same time, BMI only collects certain royalties, okay? To collect the other royalties, I also use a site called Songtrust, songtrust.com. BMI only collects them typically just from the United States, okay? So you gotta imagine when your song's getting streamed in other places, which since it's the internet age, you're losing money, okay? So this is the BMI one, okay? So what's happening is BMI pays me out, it breaks it all down right here, and then you'll see like, right now let me show you the royalties over here that I have from Songtrust, okay? So if you look here, and by the way, I have numerous publishing companies, I use numerous distribution platforms for different music, for other stuff, for artists that I manage and everything else like that. So if you look at this though, look, you can't look at it, right? So you get another $956 here, and you think, oh, $500, $1,000, you start looking at that, you go, whoa, you know, there's a couple $1,000 I record just from my music. And look at this money right here was money that was collected that was not collected by my PRO.
Ain't no way, boy.
It was not collected by BMI. So the only thing you need to do is you need to sign up for Songtrust, and you need to sign up for your PRO, okay? 2 primary things. There's other ones too, I'm not gonna overwhelm you though, but Songtrust is super easy to do. This is not a paid thing at all, but however, I do have something with Songtrust in order to make it cheaper for artists to actually sign up for Songtrust. So they actually have a coupon code, so when you sign up, you get it cheaper than everybody else gets it. And by the way, they reached out to me, I didn't reach out to them, because I didn't know what they were. I'm glad that they did, because I wouldn't be making this money. I didn't know what it was. I'm like, oh, I didn't know that. You know, so for a couple years now, I've been with them, and I mean, so are like hundreds of thousands of other artists. I'm gonna guess hundreds of thousands, at least tens of thousands. And I mean, I wouldn't have this money if I didn't sign up, and you won't have this money if you don't sign up. That's an extra $1,000 right there. So if you go to songtrust.com, you sign up, put Smart Rapper in as the code, and it's gonna be cheaper for you to sign up. If not, I mean, you pay normal price, it doesn't matter. Yes, I do get a little bit of it, but you also save money. But if not, I don't care. You need to get this. You don't even use the code. Who cares? You need to sign up for this for yourself. Okay. So BMI, Songtrust. That's it. It's that easy. But you're missing out on money if you don't go sign up for both of these, or ASCAP. Okay, ASCAP. Anyway, that'll never stop.
Never.
Okay, anyway, I'm Rob Level. This is Smart Rapper. Make sure you check out the Music Industry Shortcut, because it has just launched and it took me 7 years total to build, okay? And it's gonna change the music industry, man. I'm telling you right now, it's gonna change the music industry, okay? Links for that are gonna be below this video. Right. You already know the deal. Keep hustling. I'll see you in the Music Industry Shortcut. And if you're in there, well, I'm definitely gonna see you at the top. Keep hustling. Don't stop.
Hey, level, got it. Yeah. Gotta bounce to this. Hey, you know you gotta bounce to this, like this.
Hey, what'd you say? You must be fucking crazy. I don't play. Don't talk about my baby. Ain't no way that you can do that safely. Bombs away. She like
like boys in a bag.